Pandas for Finance. Episode 1. The Bridge from Excel and SQL to Python. 5 years of Apple price history in 5 lines of code. If you finished SQL for Finance or Excel and Power BI for Finance, you already know how to query and pivot. Pandas is the next mile. It's a Python library. You write small scripts that read data, transform it, and print or plot results. The first one is 5 lines. Today, install Yahoo Finance and Pandas. Download Apple. Inspect it. The whole thing fits on a single screen. Open a fresh terminal. We need 3 packages: Pandas, Yahoo Finance for Yahoo data, and pyarrow for the Parquet caching we'll set up next episode. Open nvim, save it as first.py. 3 lines that matter. Import Yahoo Finance. Download Apple from 2020 to 2025. Print the head and the shape. That's the whole script. Y.download is the workhorse of this series. Pass a ticker, a start date, and an end date. It hits Yahoo Finance and gives you a Pandas data frame. Save and exit. Cat the file to verify. Then run it with Python. Five years of Apple bars. Open, high, low, close, adjusted close, and volume. 1,258 rows. Three things. 3 pip installs: Pandas, Yahoo Finance, pyarrow. Y.download returns a data frame, the Pandas equivalent of an Excel sheet, with a date index and named columns. Scripts beat notebooks for finance work. Easier to version, easier to schedule, easier to share. That was episode 1. You loaded 5 years of Apple price data. 3 lines. Episode 2. The data frame mental model. Index, columns, and the vectorized math that makes Pandas faster than every Excel shortcut you know.